Rational expressions are really the combination of two things we already know: polynomials and fractions. Luckily, we know how to deal with each of these objects. So keep in mind that when we multiply fractions, we use a over c times b over d equals ab over cd. In other words, we multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. And in some cases, we may need to simplify the fraction at the end. For example, consider 7x over 3 times 2 over 63x. But if we want to multiply these, we multiply straight across, giving us 14x over 189x. So we've completed the multiplication, but we may need to simplify. So when we consider the number part, let's divide the top and bottom by the largest number that divides both 14 and 189. That would be 7, giving us 2 over 27. And our x's cancel on the top and bottom, right? Divide the top and bottom of this fraction by x, and the x's are completely gone, leaving us with 2 over 27. Now consider the case where we have 7x over 2 times 6 over 63x squared. Now when we multiply these together, we're going to get 42x on top, 7x times 6, and on the bottom, 2 times 163 is going to be 126, and then we have our x squared. Now we have to consider simplifying this fraction. Now if we divide the top and bottom of this fraction by 42, it leaves us with 1 over 3. And when we divide our x's, we have an x on top and x times x on the bottom. So when we divide x, we're left with 1 more on the bottom, so 1 over 3x.